The doctor gave me a dash for some medicine yesterday. Note, receipt, prescription, recipe. Answer is prescription. Can you tell me when dash the train leaves? Does the train leave? Leaves the train. Does leave the train. Answer is the train leaves. I'd like dash information please. An, some, piece, a piece. Answer is some. She has been dash of murdering her husband. Charged, accused, arrested, blamed. Answer is accused. Did you speak to Juliet? No, I've dash seen her. Nearly, hardly, often, always. Answer is hardly. She looks dash. She is going to be sick. As if, as, likes, if. Answer is as if. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and share with your friends.